Bizarre places, survival and adaptation, extreme landscapes, deadly temperatures, and environments so alien they seem uninhabitable, yet life finds a way. Imagine waking up in a place where the ground is so hot it can cook an egg, or where your eyelashes freeze together the moment you step outside. Picture yourself in a desert where it hasn't rained in centuries, or in a jungle so dense and hostile that every step could mean life or death. Today, we're exploring the most bizarre places on Earth and uncovering how both humans and wildlife have adapted to survive in conditions that seem impossible. From burning deserts to frozen wastelands, from the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, these are the ultimate tests of survival. Earth's extreme environments. Our planet is full of places where survival requires more than just endurance, it demands adaptation. Some regions experience temperatures that can melt rubber, while others are colder than the surface of Mars. Some places lack water entirely, while others are submerged year-round. How do animals, plants, and even people manage to live in these places? The answers will leave you in awe. The hottest place on Earth, deep in Iran, lies the Lut Desert, where surface temperatures once reached 159 degrees Fahrenheit 70 degrees Celsius, hot enough to fry meat within minutes. The desert is so extreme that even bacteria struggle to survive. Yet, some life forms have managed to adapt. The Asiatic cheetah, one of the world's rarest big cats, has developed specialized blood circulation to keep cool. Certain insects burrow deep underground during the day and only emerge at night when the sand is cooler. Even tiny, salt-loving microbes thrive in the cracks of sun-baked rocks, using minerals to create protective shields against the heat. Humans, however, cannot survive here for long without proper preparation. In some desert regions, traditional nomadic tribes use white and loose clothing to reflect sunlight while maintaining airflow. They also rely on camel caravans, as camels can survive days without water by storing fat in their humps. The coldest inhabited place on Earth. From scorching heat, we move to the coldest inhabited place on Earth, Oymyakon, Russia. This remote Siberian village has recorded temperatures as low as -96 degrees Fahrenheit -71 degrees Celsius. In Oymyakon, even boiling water turns to ice in midair. Car engines must be kept running 24/7 to prevent freezing, and exposed skin can develop frostbite within minutes. Yet people here have found ways to live comfortably. High-fat diets. The Yakut people eat reindeer meat, fish, and animal fat to provide the calories needed to generate body heat. Layered clothing. Traditional fur-lined boots and reindeer fur coats trap warmth effectively. Thermal wells. Since underground pipes freeze, locals collect water from hot springs that naturally resist freezing. Even animals have adapted. Siberian horses develop thick fur, and Arctic foxes grow seasonal coats that blend perfectly with their snowy environment. The Tibetan Plateau at 13,000 feet, 4,000 meters, above sea level, the Tibetan Plateau has half the oxygen found at sea level. Most people would struggle to breathe here, yet the native Tibetan people thrive. Their secret? Genetic adaptation. Tibetans have evolved a special variant of the EPS1 gene, which allows their bodies to use oxygen more efficiently. Enlarged lungs and hearts. Over generations, their respiratory and circulatory systems have adapted to compensate for the low oxygen. Yak herding. Yaks, which have larger lung capacities, provide milk, wool, and transportation, making them ideal companions in high altitudes. Even the plants in this region have adapted. Barley, one of the main crops, has evolved to grow at freezing temperatures with minimal oxygen. The driest place on Earth, located in Chile, the Atacama Desert, is often compared to Mars because some parts haven't seen rain in over 500 years. Despite this, life finds a way. Microbes and salt flats extract water from the air itself using specialized proteins. Cacti store water in spongy tissues and can survive for years without rainfall. Fog nets, used by some desert communities, capture water from mist and dew, producing drinkable water without rain. NASA even uses the Atacama to test Mars rovers, proving just how extreme this environment is. Amazon rainforest. Surviving in nature's battle arena while deserts lack water, the Amazon rainforest has the opposite problem: it's too much of everything. This jungle is home to some of the most dangerous creatures on Earth, and yet, people and animals have learned to thrive. Indigenous tribes have mastered the use of medicinal plants for treating wounds and illnesses. Some even use poison-tipped arrows made from the venom of local frogs. Animals camouflage, jaguars, snakes, and insects blend into their surroundings to avoid predators, or to hunt better. Rainwater filtration. In an environment where still water can harbor deadly bacteria, indigenous people use plant-based filtration techniques to ensure safe drinking water. The Mariana Trench now. Let's dive to the most alien environment on our planet. The Mariana Trench, nearly 7 miles, 11 kilometers, below the ocean's surface. Here, conditions are unimaginable. The pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to crush submarines. Sunlight never reaches these depths, making it perpetually dark. The temperature hovers near freezing. Yet, bizarre creatures survive. Anglerfish use bioluminescent lures to attract prey. Giant isopods, relatives of land-based pill bugs, thrive by scavenging whatever falls from above. Deep-sea jellyfish have evolved translucent bodies to avoid detection. The ultimate test of adaptation. If survival on Earth seems extreme, space takes it to an entirely different level. With no oxygen, gravity, or protection from deadly radiation, space is the most unforgiving environment known. How do astronauts survive? Pressurized suits replicate Earth's atmosphere, allowing them to breathe. Special diets provide essential nutrients while reducing waste production. Microgravity exercises prevent muscle loss, since there's no gravity to provide resistance. As humanity explores colonization on Mars, survival techniques will continue to evolve beyond Earth itself. Survival isn't just about endurance, it's about adaptation. Whether in the hottest deserts, coldest villages, highest peaks, or deepest oceans, life continues to evolve in extraordinary ways. The next time you step outside, remember, no matter how extreme, nature always finds a way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more incredible explorations of our world, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, what's the most extreme place you'd ever want to visit? I'd love to hear from you.